Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby here from the All-in-One Profits Rotator Club. I got a huge announcement today. Okay, I want to introduce you to our new fan page. This is the AIOP Rotator Club Team Rotator page. Okay, you guys that are in the team already, you know that everything we do at the Rotator Club was put in place to help build our downlines and help build our downlines up. That's how we build our team, is by helping our downlines. So I decided to come up with another tool. This is actually a team rotator for our team to help our downlines get referrals. If you're on our team already and you want to get on the rotator, you just come over here to the page. First thing you do is like the page, guys. Okay, then you want to press the sign up button. It's going to take you to another page that you can either sign up for All-in-One Profits if you're not already a member. If you scroll down, let me just pause this video here for a second. Okay, if you scroll down, you're going to see what is All-in-One Profits all about. It explains All-in-One Profits. And you can join All-in-One Profits right here. This is the link to our new team rotator. Okay, guys? After you go and sign up there for All-in-One Profits under one of our teammates, you're going to come back here, press this one. It says, place me on the rotator, and you fill out this form. And that's how you get placed on the rotator. Then you're going to receive an email explaining how the rotator works and everything like that, what you have to do to be on it. Okay, and the first thing you have to do to get on the rotator is like the page and share one of these posts, guys, or make a post. I'm going to go over a couple of things, too, with the rotator. This rotator is not for people on the team that have like 20 people in their downline, stuff like that. Who's this rotator for? It's for people who are newbies, who are brand new to marketing online, that don't have a downline or just have like maybe 2 or 3 members in that downline and want a little help. We want to help our teammates to at least get in profit with All-in-One Profits and enjoy the team and the tools the way we do. Guys, you're not going to find me on the rotator, but you're going to find my teammates on there, my downline. Everything we do, like I said before, at AIOP Rotator Club is based on helping our downline. Even if you're a leader on our team, and we have some leaders in our team. We have some people in our team that have huge downlines, guys. That's not to say that just because you're not in the rotator, you can still stop by, like the page, share a post, share the, I'm going to make a couple of pages for the team rotator, share the rotator page, to help, we'll be helping our downline, like I say, guys. So this is the newest thing we added. I hope you guys like it. Head on over here and like the page, like I said, and I'll see you in our other, once you join through this link too, guys, I almost forgot. You're going to be a part of our regular team. You're going to be in the Rotator Club. You're going to have access to all our tools, all our training, and our members-only Facebook group. All right, so get on in here and join up, guys, and like the page, and I'll see you in our members-only group. Thanks, guys. See you inside.